Hi, I am Ari and this is my Capybara Capy. Are you ready to do some yoga with us? Yay, let's go! Let's start in mountain pose. Bring your palms together and close your eyes. Take a nice inhale in through the nose and out through the mouth. And now let's do a tree pose. Bend your right knee and balance on the left leg. You're doing great! And now tree pose on the left leg. Bend your left knee and balance on your right foot. Be careful, don't fall down. And now, fold forward, touching the floor. You can bend your knees if you want to. Allow your head to drop. And walk your hands forward, coming into a down dog. Bend your knees if you want to. And now move forward, coming into upward facing dog. Push the floor with your hands. Look up. And now let's sit and separate your legs wide, coming into wide leg forward fold or seated triangle pose. Try to fold forward here. And now let's do a side bend. Lift your right arm and bend to the left. Now let's come to center and change sides. So your left arm is stretching to the right. Okay, now let's bring the feet together and come into a butterfly pose. You can close your eyes and breathe deeply. We're almost done. Now let's lay down on the belly and rest here in a crocodile pose. Feel free to rest your head on the floor or on the hands. And now grab your colors, scan the QR code to download today's free coloring page and color Ari and Capy in butterfly pose. I hope you liked today's session. Follow us for more yoga practices.